Hi. Whoa. Hey. Here we go. We're going to play some dog ball. No, quiet. Oh, Dixie comes up with it. Come here. We don't have the collars on. Dixie. Got a lot of snow. It's raining. Come on. Come on. Dixie. Good girl. Right here. You got it. You did it. Yep. Oh, you're going to lose it. Here, Dixie, right here. Oh, hey. Stop. Dixie. Come here. Out. Out. Doing drop kicks today. 1-0 Dixie. Dixie's going to get that one too. They don't know where it is. Thunder picked it up. There it is. Okay, out. Good girl. Thunder. Thunder out. 1-1. Dixie got that one. Out. Come here, Dixie. Don't lose it. Out. Good girl. Out. No. Come here. Dixie, out. Yes. Okay. 2-1. It's a Thunder button ball. Here you go. There you go, Thunder. 2-2. Out. Thunder. Out. Thunder. 2-2. Oh, Thunder. Oh, she has it. Come on, Thunder. Out. Out. Thunder. Okay, 3-2. Oh, that's off. Come on, Thunder. There you go. There you go, Thunder. Thunder, out. Thunder. There you go. Bonus kick. Thunder wins. Thanks for watching.